Welcome to our Physics Thinker channel, concave lens and convex lens. Which one is converging and which one is diverging? Let's know this topic. First of all, we know the lens. A lens is a transparent piece of glass or plastic that has curved surface. Depending upon the shape of the lens, it can be either convergent or divergent. It can bring the light together or spread it apart. To know this, watch this video very carefully. Let's see the convex lens, the four parallel lines meeting at a point. Why it is a converging point? Let's see. When parallel rays of light passing through it, they bend inward and meet at a point called the focal point. Students, the distance between the lens and this focal point is called the focal length. Next thing we have to move on to the session. Convex lens is very important. Why? Because a shorter focal length means the lens bends the rays more sharply. We can observe the very clearly in this picture. The four parallel paths. Okay. Next, moving on to the concave lens. The four parallel lines we can see they are in diverging. Why? Because when parallel rays of light passes through it, they bend inward and meet at a point called the focal point. The parallel rays. The point where the rays appears to come from is called the virtual focal point. They are very diverging type. The four parallel lines we can observe towards the concave lens. The concave lens we can observe thinner in the middle, whereas the convex lens are thicker in the middle. There are four parallel lines we can see in the converging type, and the concave lens are diverging lens. We can see the virtual focus. Actually, convex lenses are converging light and can form both real and virtual images, whereas concave lens diverge light and always form virtual images. We can see this both difference between the concave and convex lens. Both lens plays a major role in helping us see, explore and capture the world around us. My dear students, you have one small question from this. Are you ready? Which lens do you use in your glasses or devices? Drop your answer in the below comment. For simple and easy learning, subscribe to our Physics Thinkers channel. Like, share and subscribe to our Physics Thinker channel for more amazing science facts. Click the notification bell to get more science updates. Have a nice day, students.